Oh my God. Would you look at this? This is day 22 since I went spawn the bulk, but look, oh my God, it's not just one or two pins, there's several pins. Boy, I can't express to y'all how happy I am right now. What? This thing is fully colonized. I see pins. Oh man, not just little small pins, but they're all over the place. let me hold it together because I'm a little bit too excited.
8 hours later.
All right, so it's 8 hours later. My camera's fully charged, and look what we have here. The pins have doubled in size, and there's more pins coming up. Wow. I don't know if you guys ever seen the show Breaking Bad, but this was the mushroom process kind of remind me of. It was slow for like the first 3 seasons, but when it picked up, it picked up.